Dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily change place where you want to save your downloaded files. So just click on the settings and just go to the settings, and here you need to choose, just scroll down until you will find advanced options. So just click on advanced, and here you will find option downloads. So here you can see your location where your files will save when you download them. So just click on change, and now you can also change some place, choose some place you want to save your files, for example documents, and just click on choose folder. So here you can see that it successfully changed to documents from downloads. So everything is working. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.